So hello students, today we will be studying another topic that is cloning vectors. Okay, this cloning vector, we already know that these plasmid and bacteriophages are the cloning vectors, and these are the carrier which will be carrying this DNA molecule that can carry a foreign DNA segment and replicate inside the host cells. Example, plasmid. This plasmid is the circular extra chromosomal DNA of a bacteria and this bacteriophage. That means this plasmid and bacteriophage is a certain organism which will be having a extra chromosomal circular chromosomal DNA. Okay, this bacteriophage will be having their own genetic material, and this plasmid is also present inside the bacteria, which is also a genetic material apart from the nucleus extra chromosomal DNA. Okay, अब यो यिनीहरुमा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ certain segments will be like inserted, and then that segment will be replicate inside the body of the bacteria and the bacteriophage. That means these two are the carrier or for carriers. That means vectors भनेको चाहिँ vectors are carriers. So in this case, this plasmid and bacteriophage are the vectors which will be carrying DNA molecules, and that will be joined with the certain segments, that is the foreign DNA will be segmented to this genetic material and then replicate inside their body. Okay, अब यो bacteriophage चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि there will be the high number per cell. That means bacteriophage will be having a high number of genetic material. Okay, they have very high numbers of copy of their genomes within the bacterial cell. Okay, and some plasmids will be only having a 1 or 2 copies per cell. एउटा सेलमा चाहिँ एउटा अथवा दुईटा कपिज मात्रै हुन्छ प्लास्मिडको, तर जुन चाहिँ यो ब्याक्टेरियोफाजको उसको जिनोम छ यो चाहिँ ब्याक्टेरियल सेलमा चाहिँ 50 to 100 कपिज पर सेल भएर जान्छ. Okay, that means यसलाई हामीले नम्बर्स अफ कपिज अफ दिस जिनोम लाई काउन्ट गर्नु पर्यो भने चाहिँ ब्याक्टेरियोफाजको जुन चाहिँ के छ genome will be in higher numbers as compared to the genome of the these plasmids. Okay, when the cloning vectors are multiplied, that means you cloning vectors जुन चाहिँ छ bacteriophage को जति मल्टिप्लाई हुँदैछ, okay, this plasmid जति मल्टिप्लाई हुँदैछ host को body मा where the linked piece of DNA is also multiplied to the numbers equal to the copy and numbers of the vectors. That means जति vectors multiply भएर जान्छ. For example, एउटा vector छ, फर्स्ट मा एउटा vector मा हामीले we have inserted a recombinant DNA र त्यो vector बाट चाहिँ now that will be goes to the host मा जान्छ. host को body मा गइसकेपछि जति host body के भएर जान्छ multiplied भएर जान्छ त्यति नै जुन चाहिँ DNA छ, the linked piece of DNA will get also multiplied in a tremendous way, so that in a few minutes ma, few hour ma चाहिँ or a short period of time, short duration ma चाहिँ we will be getting a larger amount of this genome. Okay, you can see in this picture, this is the image or this is the picture of the bacteriophage. Okay, we have already seen in our previous class, this is the structures of the bacteriophage. That means these are the vectors, these are the cloning vectors. This will be consisting of the genetic material of this bacteriophage is there. Now in the second picture you can see that this is the bacteria. You can easily see that this is the bacterial DNA अलक्कै छ. Okay, apart from this bacterial DNA एउटा circular structure को छ, that is the circular extra chromosomal DNA, that is the plasmid. Okay, if we take this plasmid लाई मात्रै हामीले चाहिँ हेर्यौं भने चाहिँ, so this is the plasmid, where in this plasmid यो plasmid मा चाहिँ हामीले के गर्छौं, now the जुन चाहिँ हामीलाई interested gene desired DNA will be inserted, and that will be लाइक रेप्लिकेट इन द होस्ट बडीमा चाहिँ ओके अब यसलाई पनि हामीले हेर्नु पर्यो भने चाहिँ प्लास्मिड विल बी ह्याभिङ ए सर्टेन लाइक sites that is the selectable marker. This is the site for the restriction enzyme will be there. This origin of replications को लागि पनि site हुन्छ के restriction enzyme को लागि site हुन्छ cloning को लागि के हुन्छ cloning को लागि site हुन्छ जहाँ गएर चाहिँ restriction enzymes हरुले के गर्दिन्छ त्यसलाई चाहिँ कट गर्दिन्छ okay so certain sites will be there in this plasmid we are going to study in detail. So this PBR322, it is the cloning vector. It is the E. coli cloning vector. Okay, PBR322, and this will be having a certain sites. You check you PBR322 is one of the standard cloning vectors useful in gene cloning experiment. Okay, this is extracted from the E. coli, that is Escherichia coli bacteria. This vector has been reconstructed by inserting genes for antibiotic resistance. Okay, this PBR322 is a gene which will be using like यो जिनमा चाहिँ के गर्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ जुन चाहिँ यो उसको आफ्नो एउटा स्ट्रक्चर छ कन्स्ट्रक्सन छ यसमा चाहिँ सर्टेन प्लेसेसहरुमा चाहिँ नयाँ जिन्सहरुलाई चाहिँ इन्सर्ट गर्दिन्छ त्यो जिनहरु चाहिँ के हुन्छ एन्टिबायोटिक सँग रेसिस्टेन्स हुन्छ we will study later on. Okay, and this PBR322 a cloning vector is named after the Bolivar and Rodriguez. Okay, these are the two persons who have like discovered this E. coli cloning vector. So let's see, first of all, let's see the characteristic features of this plasmid PBR322. This plasmid PBR322 contains 4,361 base pairs. That means well we were talking about this plasmid को बारेमा पढ्दा हामीले यो plasmid लाई के पाएको थियो certain DNA, so double helical DNA. So you can see that there is the double helical DNA. So यो DNA को बीचमा तिमीहरुले के देख्दैछ भने certain base pairs हरु छ. Okay, certain base pair, that means these are nitrogenous bases. These are adenine, thymine, guanosine, cytosine. Okay, यसको एउटा बेसेसहरु बनिएको छ र यो बेसहरु चाहिँ यो जुन चाहिँ प्लास्मिड छ जुन चाहिँ PBR322 मा चाहिँ 4361 प्लास्मिड हुन्छ यसमा चाहिँ कतिवटा हुँदो रहेछ बेस पेयर चाहिँ 4361 बेस पेयर्स ओके इट इज अ प्लास्मिड अफ 3.4 किलोबाइट साइज यसको साइज चाहिँ कति छ 3.4 किलोबाइट साइज एन्ड क्यारी फरेन डीएनए अफ अबाउट 15 किलोबाइट चाहिँ फरेन डीएनए लाई चाहिँ हामीले इन्सर्ट गर्न सकिन्छ these are the characters. It is having a relaxed type of origin of replication. This origin of replication is the site. Okay, this origin of replication, this is the ori. यो चाहिँ के हो जहाँनिर चाहिँ replication start हुन्छ त्यसलाई चाहिँ ori भनेको. So this vector has two selectable marker gene, that is tetracycline resistance genes and ampicillin resistance genes. यसमा चाहिँ हाम्रोमा दुईटा you can see that this is the tetracycline resistance genes. That means tetracycline is a antibiotic and हाम्रोमा ampicillin is also a antibiotic. यो ampicillin र tetracycline लाई रेसिस्टेन्स गर्नको लागि जीन लाई रेसिस्टेन्स गर्नको लागि पनि selectable marker genes हरु छ यो भेक्टरमा. Okay, so it is having many unique restriction sites. उसकोमा थुप्रो restriction sites are mainly 20 in numbers. That means this PBR322 जुन चाहिँ प्लास्मिड छ उसमा 20 वटा नम्बर्स मा चाहिँ restriction sites छ. That means जहाँनिर चाहिँ के गर्न सकिन्छ हामीले इन्सर्ट गर्न सकिन्छ DNA लाई चाहिँ, that is EcoRI Okay, this PUV1, PST1, BAM H1, you can see that this is echo RI. Okay, and this is PUV1, this is a PUV1, and you can say PST1, this is PST1. Okay, and BAM H1, this is BAM H1. Okay, and cell 1, this cell 1 यिनीहरु चाहिँ के हो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ रेस्ट्रिक्सन साइटको एउटा के हो साइट हो जहाँनिर चाहिँ रेस्ट्रिक्सन एन्जाइम्स आएर चाहिँ कट गर्छ यो सेक्सन्सलाई. सम रेस्ट्रिक्सन साइट्स आर अल्सो प्रेजेन्ट विदिन द सेलेक्टेबल मार्कर. अब सेलेक्टेबल मार्करमा पनि रेस्ट्रिक्सन साइटहरू छ अरे. ओके, द्याट इज द BAM H1 and here's a SAL1. So these are the BAM H1 and SAL H1, PUV1 and PST1 पनि छ. Okay, and some lie outside the marker of a gene E. coli को echo RI. This echo RI हरु चाहिँ जुन चाहिँ यो सेलेक्टेबल मार्कर देखि बाहिरपट्टि छ. सो यहाँसम्म हामीले के बुझ्यौं भने PBR322 is a E. coli cloning vector. So this will be having it 4361 base pairs, and this plasmid will be having the size of 3.4 kilobyte को size हुन्छ र यसमा चाहिँ हामीले 15 kb सम्मको foreign DNA लाई insert गर्न सकिन्छ. that means यो plasmid ले चाहिँ foreign DNA चाहिँ 15 kb सम्मलाई उसले carry गर्न सक्छ. okay, and this will have a relaxed type of origin of a replication छ, where these the replications of a DNA will start. Okay, र उसकोमा selectable marker छ, that is the tetracycline resistance selectable marker. This one is tetracycline resistance and ampicillin resistance छ. okay, जीनहरु छ. and रेस्ट्रिक्सन एन्जाइमको लागि चाहिँ रेस्ट्रिक्सन साइट्सहरु चाहिँ 20 नम्बर्समा पाइन्छ, थुप्रो पाइन्छ, सच एज इको RI, PUV1, PAST1, BAM H1, SAL1. सो यतिवटा चाहिँ रेस्ट्रिक्सन साइट्सहरु हो. यो चाहिँ सम अफ दिस रेस्ट्रिक्सन साइट्स विल बी reside inside the selectable marker, and some of these restriction sites will be the away from outside of the selectable marker. Okay, that is echo RI. The host for this plasmid is E. coli. र जुन चाहिँ यो प्लास्मिड छ, यो प्लास्मिड चाहिँ हामीले कहाँनिर लगाइन्छ? E. coli मा लगाइन्छ. Escherichia coli is a bacteria. So inside this Escherichia coli, this PBR322 चाहिँ के हुन्छ? replicate भएर जान्छ जति E. coli replicate हुँदैछ. Okay, the insertions of foreign DNA or target DNA takes place by cleaving any one of the part of the marker genes. That means जुन चाहिँ हाम्रो foreign DNA छ, foreign DNA अथवा target DNA लाई चाहिँ हामीले कसरी insert गर्न सकिन्छ भने cleaving any one of the two marker gene. That means यो दुईटामा जुनै पनि एउटा marker gene लाई चाहिँ cleave, that means त्यसलाई चाहिँ separate गरेर remove गरेर हामीले insert गर्नु सकिन्छ.